I find it a step back.
Hey, happy 2024, guys, you're welcome. If this is your first time here, thank you so much. My name is Chelsea, and in here I review wigs. So the wig I will be revealing today is from Luvwin hair. This hair is 5x5 salt and pepper body wave. It came straight and it is glueless. You can see it's 5x5.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? So take it, kid, yeah. And chicken in your head.
Came with some combs. Also, there is adjustable strap. This is detachable adjustable strap, and that is the back. Guys, this hair color is really great. It is stunning, and it is perfect for any age, and it makes you look younger and confident. Came straight, but I guarantee you can coil the hair.
쉽잖아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful.
And the hair is 100% glueless, meaning you don't need glue, you don't need gel, you don't need anything. 0% effortless. You don't need to stress yourself. And look at the hairline. I so much love this hair. I love the color because the color goes with all skin tone. All skin tone. When I mean all skin tone, this color and is in vogue right now. This color, this salt and pepper, I so much love it. And see the way the hair suits me so well. Just brushing it is so soft in my hand. The texture is soft, and being that it's short, I love it. Gorgeous. In case if you're interested, I'm going to leave a direct link to this hair on the description box, so check it out. The direct link that will take you to their website, I'm going to leave it on the description box.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? So take it, kid, yeah. And chicken in your head. 쉽잖아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs.
So I use hot comb to comb the flying hairs just to melt the front the more.
You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해?
I went for a C part. You can create whatever part that you like. Like this, since it's 5x5, you can create corner part, you can create center, you can create side, whatever part you want. You can just play with the hair.
Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야.
I put the part on the right side, but when I turn my camera, it will turn left. Okay, it's just the camera. That's why you're seeing it now that is on my left hand side. So after that, I use a foundation to open up the line, the part. You can use any foundation of your skin tone.
Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야.
By the way, gorgeous, in case if you're interested in getting this wig, the direct link will be on the description box, so check that out.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
The lace that came with the hair is pre-cut, lace, and the lace melts. It melts, it's pre-cut lace melts. It melts on your skin without you gluing it down. That is why it is glueless.
'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. So that's in mind.
So look at the hairline. I used a powder of my skin tone just to darken the lace because it's a little bit whiter than my skin. You can see that it's glueless. I did not glue it down. If I glue it down, I wouldn't have been able to push it forward. You guys saw that I just lifted the wig forward. So guys, that is basically it. That's all I did. Like I said, I'm going to leave the direct link on the description box. You can play with the hair, you can leave it straight, you can coil it, whatever. I did 2 ways. I coiled it, did kind of a bob because the hair is bob. I bobbed the under, then I coiled it as well. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy. Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really good for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of